Hey everyone, my name is Joseph Hancock. I'm totally new to this YouTube process, but I want to start this now, start my first channel, and I was just barely pacing back and forth on the floor, and I was just barely thinking, I gotta do this now because I want to share with the world the things that I know about personal finance and to become better, to be more secure with their families and to provide for themselves and for their families. But in this world, it seems to be increasingly difficult to do this. About a month ago, I got with my wife and we went through our finances and we looked at all the deductions that were taken out of our paychecks. I work a job, just like everyone else, 40 to 60 hours a week, depending on what's going on in my industry. One of the things that I noticed is that the gross income that we have seems like a lot, but once you take out taxes and mortgage and all of those different things, benefits, tithing, if you're religious, which we are, you really don't have much more money left over. There's not a whole lot of net money. When you take that money that's left over, it's really small compared to that gross income, and so you realize the value of net money. And I just started thinking about, is this really how I want to live my life? Is this really what I want to do with my entire life, is work from paycheck to paycheck to paycheck and maybe saving some? And it's not. It's not what I want to do. I have big dreams for our family. I think that we could do so much for so many other people if we just started generating some side income. So that's something I decided that I'm going to do today. It's been so hard getting to this point to where I can actually create one video on YouTube. And for me, it's a very difficult process. I'm not used to videoing. I've never done this before. I've never edited videos. The lighting and everything, the camera, everything is just so much work already putting this all together. So my goal in this channel is to provide some financial advice for you and what's been helping for me so far with the limited budget that we have. Now, as I learn and grow and become better, I want to be able to take that value to you and teach you how to become more wealthy, how to manage your finances better. And then as I learn and grow, I can convey that to you, and then you can learn and grow. So not only can I take whatever I earn from this and put it towards other people in my community, I can actually take what I learn and deliver that to you. So that's kind of my goal for this channel, and this is kind of my intro. Years from now, I can look back at this video and go, this is the reason why I did this. This is the reason why I wanted to create this channel. And wow, look at how far I've come. But I have to start somewhere, right? So anyways, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this short video. I have lots more videos coming your way with a lot of things that I've learned already as far as personal finance that I hope to convey to you. And hey, if you're looking to get some side hustles, or you're looking to get more income, more net income for your family, stay in tune because I'm going to be covering a lot of that as I learn and grow. This is Joseph Hancock. Thank you so much for watching.